If you want to use a Gemini on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, it is actually really simple. Most of the time you just have to press and hold the power button for like a second or so in order to activate Gemini. And there we go. As you can see now, we are immediately using Gemini. You can also tap on the microphone over here in order to make it stop listening to you. So instead you can type to Gemini instead if you cannot talk, if you cannot say something out loud. We also have the sharing screen option, so you can share the screen with Gemini if you want some help with your phone. And you can also press on this plus button over here in order to find some additional options. Let me actually clear everything, because in addition to that, if there is nothing written over here, we also have this option on the right side, which allows you to have a discussion with Gemini. You will hear an introduction. We're gonna skip that for now, and let's press OK. And now whatever you say out loud, you can just have a conversation with Gemini and have a dialogue essentially. And you can interrupt at any point, of course, if you just start talking again. Keep in mind that, of course, you don't have to use the power button. You can still find the Gemini app installed on your phone, which you can use in order to open Gemini like that as well. And if you want to, for example, remove the power button, or actually remove Gemini from the power button, then you can also do that by going through settings. So in settings, we're gonna scroll down to system, then over here open the gestures, and you should be able to choose press and hold power button. And over here we can switch to power menu. So then instead of using the Gemini, you will actually use the power menu. But that is essentially it. Oh, also, of course, we have widgets. By default, we have this widget over here on the home screen, which we can also use in order to communicate with Gemini. As you can see, we have Ask Gemini option. We can also use video mode and also live chat with Gemini. So we can do the dialogue as I mentioned before. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.